some safety tips for furnaces. In the winter time, or I should say in the fall, it's always a good idea to have a certified technician inspect your heating system, especially on aging equipment. Make sure that it's vented properly for one. As your furnace heats the home, it's going to produce some gases that are exhausted through a flue pipe that goes out through the roof normally. If there's any obstruction on the roof jack or on the pipe, that could cause carbon monoxide, which as you know can be very dangerous. Always a good idea to either be on a maintenance program, such as our MVP program, or at least have somebody check out your heater before you start up for the first time for the winter season.